The course of the long-running war began to change radically when Ukraine launched a counteroffensive thanks to arms and ammunition support from its Western allies. The Ukrainian army continues to fight on multiple fronts, especially on the southern front. The Ukrainian army has achieved great successes. Thanks to modern weapon system and strong coordination, the Ukrainian forces have made significant progress in this region. The Western support Ukraine received played a decisive role in changing the dynamics of the war. New weapons and equipment have increased the capacity of the Ukrainian army and strengthened its defense capabilities. As a result, the Ukrainian army changed the course of the conflict and switched to an offensive position. Throughout the day, the Ukrainian army continued its attempts to advance on the Bakhmut and Melitopol fronts. On these fronts, Ukrainian forces achieved certain successes. The positions gained on the fronts were consolidated. The Russian army, on the other hand, attempted to advance in many areas throughout the day. This was stated in the report of the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine. According to the report, the Russian army attacked Novohorivka, Bilohorivka, Orikhovo, Vasilivka, Ivanivske, Klishivka, Permovaiske, Marinka and Vuhledar regions. However, the Ukrainian defense forces repelled attacks in these regions, and the Russian army failed in these attacks.